Hey guys, you ever have those mornings where you hit the snooze a million times and then you finally get up just to realize you have maybe 5 minutes to get your ass out that door, and you want to go from looking like this to looking like this as quickly as possible? If that sounds like mornings that you sometimes encounter, then this is the video for you. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Right here. And I'm going to spray it all over my face. I'm just going to let that sit. For my concealer and my foundations, I'm going to kind of cheat. I'm going to use two concealers. One is in the shade light beige and one is a little bit lighter in vanilla. These are the Born This Way Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealers. So I'm going to take the lighter one and put it under my eyes, in the center of my face, where you would typically highlight. And then I'm going to take the slightly darker shade and I'm just going to do a few swipes of it all willy-nilly over my face. And then I'm going to take my trusty It Cosmetics foundation brush. I'm just going to blend this in. Now remember, we're doing this quickly because we slept our asses in and we don't got time. Alright, now that you have your foundation and concealer on, because that was quick, we're going to jump into some powder. And for that, you know, I'm grabbing for my Fenty Beauty setting powder and my It Cosmetics powder brush. And we're just gonna put this everywhere as quickly as we can because we're running late. Alright, now that you have everything set, you're going to want to grab for some blush and bronzer. Now, I love this palette from NARS. It's got Orgasm and Laguna in it. So I'm taking my brush. We're just going to quickly bronze up the skin. Put some life back there. Because, well, we want to look bronzed and beautiful. We don't want to look like we had a morning from hell running around frantically trying to get ready. And then with that same brush, I'm going to dip right into the blush because, well, like I said, we got to save time. No one's got time to muck around looking for different brushes to use. We're just using the same brush. All right. Now we got some color to our cheeks. I'm also going to throw in a bit of highlight. So we got our Charlotte Tilbury here, mixing these two together, and we're just gonna throw that bad boy on because a bling and highlight makes everything look better. And I gotta highlight everywhere. I just do. Highlight's my thing. I tend to go overboard. But what can you do? So now that we have it done that far, we're gonna take this palette right here by Christian Dominique, and we are going to just dip right into this transition-y kind of shade. And we're gonna throw that right in there. Of course, we gotta do the same to the other eye. Then I'm going to take this dark chocolate mousse shade on the same brush, because like I said, we got no time. I'm just gonna throw that right over top. I'm trying to blend it as we go. Now with my finger, I'm going to go in with this gold shade right here called Honey Dipped, and I'm just going to pat that all over my lid. Then I'm going to take this brush that we were using, and I'm just going back over that without anything on it. And then I'm going to take this light shade here called Sweet Corn, and I'm just going to put that directly above and kind of smooth out that color there. And then I'm going to take just a bit of that chocolate mousse. I'm going to sweep it right under the eye. And I'm going to dip into that same gold shade that we used. I'm going to drag it towards the front of the eye there. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this bright shiny shade, and that's going in my inner corner. And then to finish everything off, we're going to add a bit of mascara. For this, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And just layering it up a little bit, because we don't got time for falsies. Yeah. And last but not least, I'm just going to throw on a shiny lip. This is by Tarte. Not sure what it's called, but it's beautiful. And here we have it. This is the super easy look. And if you want to fix up your hair and it's crazy like mine, take one of these. Just do a little lip-de-loo. Put it in, grab it into, like my hair is really short, so I just grab it into this little thing that I can in the back. Give it a couple little twists, kind of push it all together. Take my clip in there and throw her up. Then I like to pull a couple of pieces down around my face and lift that a bit because I don't want it stuck to my head. And there we have it. This is your super quick I slept in and I still want to look good for the world makeup tutorial. I think it turned out beautiful. Anyways, if you guys like these kinds of videos, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And you know, if you want to be notified, you gotta hit the bell. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day.